Detach the cover of the printhead mainboard. Unplug the wire connected to the mainboard. Remove the white ink circulation splitter. Put the ink dampers in a cup for better storage. Unscrew and detach the slide block. Replace a new slide block. Lubricate the slide block with lubricant and grease. Place the new and lubricated slide block into place. Secure the slide block with screws. Apply the grease onto the guide rail. Repeat the process to install the accessories back. The replacement and maintenance is complete.